Sengdra, a prominent Tibetan environmental defender and anti-corruption whistleblower, remains under strict government surveillance despite his release from prison on February 7, 2026. Chinese authorities continue to restrict his movements, search his phone, subject him to arbitrary interrogations, and require government permission for medical treatment. Suffering from kidney disease, vision loss, and high blood pressure, Sengdra has been allowed to visit a hospital only once since his release. Chinese authorities have also reportedly wiretapped the phones of his family members and warned those close to him not to speak about his situation. After a photo of Sengdra circulated online following his release, officials accused him of contacting separatist and criminal groups, seized and searched his phone, and forced him to sign a pledge cutting off outside contact. A 55-year-old Tibetan nomad, Sengdra became widely known for exposing corruption and protecting Tibet's environment. He was first imprisoned in 2014 and later sentenced to 7 years in 2019 on politically motivated charges. During his detention, he was reportedly beaten, denied medical counsel and adequate medical care, while his release was arbitrarily delayed from September 3, 2025 to February 7, 2026.